one of the first nights of the year you might actually need air conditioning, Chuck.
Yeah, we were at 83 today. We're in the mid-70s right now because we're still in the warm air sector. I hate to tell you, but we have severe weather coming our way in the morning between about 5 and 10. So we'll get a little bit of a break now, but the cold front has to go through. This was not the cold front tonight. This was just another disturbance in the warm air sector. So let's get to some pictures and videos, and you guys rock out there. Just make sure when you're filming severe weather, videotaping it, make sure you do it from a safe distance, and make sure you take cover if you have to. And we've seen a lot of pictures and damage come out of Fulton County, especially around the Lewistown area. There is some big-time hail around Smithfield. That's from Nancy Brown. We had upwards of baseball-sized hail in Fulton County again. Hannah Elizabeth, that's Bryant. You can see the damage there. You've got a lot of tree damage around Fulton County. Lewistown is hard hit. We showed this earlier, but this is from Connor and Daniel. And look at this. I'll wait for this to cycle on through because we can see debris coming up right here. You can see debris flying in the air from that tornado in Lewistown. And Lewistown really hard hit. Keep those folks in your prayers and your thoughts. And this is Becky Snyder of Lewistown, a picture of the wall cloud that probably preceded that tornado. If that is not part of the tornado itself, it's kind of hard to tell from that picture, but that is a huge picture. Becky, thank you very much. We've had 5 tornado reports in Fulton County, and the Weather Service will obviously be surveying damage to see the intensity of the tornado that hit Lewistown as well. We had one hit the Table Grove as well, some damage there. That's still in Fulton County, and then off into McDonough County, a couple of tornadoes as well. So Weather Service survey teams will be busy tomorrow determining exactly what went on. But we're not done. Look at this. Here's the squall line associated with the cold front attached to this system, and that'll be pushing its way through central Illinois in the morning. And it looks like we have a chance for severe weather between about 5 and 10 in the morning. So that's why we've declared tomorrow morning a first alert weather day with all the hazards in place. A couple of tornadoes a possibility, damaging winds and large hail as that squall line goes through. Isolated in western Illinois, more scattered along the Illinois River, and more numerous as this system goes off to the east along the I-55 corridor. And a brief spin up or two can't be ruled out. Large hail and those strong winds and some localized downpours. And to add insult to injury, we have a wind advisory for our eastern 3 counties, LaSalle, Livingston, and McLean. Even without thunderstorms, you'll have winds 20 to 25, gusting 45 tomorrow, causing maybe some isolated power outages. That's from 7 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. So after the storms depart, we'll still have the strong winds tomorrow afternoon. All right, Skywatch Camera Network, it's all quiet in River City, but Peoria was under a tornado warning for a while. The reason why, we had the storms, 83 the high today, and high humidity levels, and we almost got to a record. 86 is the record high in 1929, and right now it's 75 muggy degrees in Peoria. Southerly's at 23, so the atmosphere is still juiced up. We're still in the warm air sector. When the cold front comes through in the morning, you'll know it. 74 in Bloomington, normal southerly winds at 32. Twin Cities, you escaped the wrath tonight, but I don't think you will tomorrow. Area temperatures running upper 60s to the mid 70s as all of us are warm. Here's the gigantic storm system and the cold front out to the west. And as we zoom things in, we are high, dry, and quiet here, just cloudy skies and the warm and muggy conditions. But here's a look at that squall line we'll be looking at between 5 and 10 in the morning. Meteorologist Balint Salivari and Devin Mashuli will be here to keep you ahead of those storms during the morning show. And even if we have storms outside the morning show in the morning, they'll have all the details for you. Otherwise, once we get through this system, we'll be a little bit cooler. We could start the day with some frost on Thursday. We'll be in the mid 60s. And then the holiday weekend is looking pretty good at this point. Tyler.